Hey guys, so today actually we are going to install this crash guard, Himalayan BS6 crash guard. I got it from Auto Engina. I purchased it from Amazon, and this is what it is. Look at the parcel. Amazon would have struggled a lot to bring it to my place. Just have a look at it. So this is the parcel which I received from Amazon, and I got this from Amazon by Auto Engina for 4,999. So when I say it is 4,999, I got 500 rupees discount for HDFC card and then 400 gift coupon. Okay, so actually speaking, I got this for 4,000 rupees from Amazon.in on this festival sale. This is how actually I packed this Auto Engina engine guard parcel on my Himalayan bike. So actually I took this to at least maybe 5 kilometers from my house to this mechanic shed, and I used two bungee cords. One is from Rhinox and one is a local bungee cord. Actually, it was rock solid. Okay, I should say it was rock solid, and I would definitely recommend you guys to carry around at least two bungee cords for your packing needs, or in case if you wanted to carry any luggage. I would suggest you to carry at least two bungee cords with you all times. So coming back to this engine guard, it took me actually to unpack this. It took me more than half an hour because they packed it so well. They used a lot of bubble wrap and other things. They packed it so well, so that it took me at least 30 minutes. That is what I should say, because they have first thing is they have a plastic wrap, and then inside that the next layer would be a bubble wrap, and then again they roll bubble wrap over the product itself, the engine guard itself. So the packing was awesome. It took me 30 minutes to unpack this thing, but for installing it, it took me maximum 10 minutes. Since I wanted to capture whatever is happening, so I went to the mechanic. Okay, so it is a simple process. Nothing, you don't have to remove any silencer, you don't have to remove anything. It is so simple, it is so easy. You just have to remove three screws and fix it. That's it. For maximum it took me 10 minutes. Okay, now you can see that only three bolts he has removed. After removing that, you will be able to install it very easily without any hassle. Okay, so actually, I understand what you mean by branded things. This Auto Engina is a branded crash guard which comes with all the necessary screws and other things. It is a matte black color finish, so it goes well with the Himalayan because the engine and other parts are already matte matte finish. Okay, so this goes very well with the Himalayan bike, for my bike, and the finishing is also awesome. You don't find even one single mistake, and for fixing you don't have to struggle at all. It is simple, it is a simple DIY. You can do it by yourself, but I just wanted to go ahead and capture the moment, so then I'll be able to show you to you guys. That is why I came to mechanic, and I don't have enough necessary tools to install this, but this comes with all the necessary screws. If you wanted to use this screws, you can use it, or else you can also go with the stock screws. Okay, actually I was so afraid that this mechanic would ask me extra money just to unwrap this pack itself. It was that much of packing, but it didn't happen that way. He was so helpful, and he did all the necessary things, and he is an expert in installing this Auto Engina, because he already I have seen him installing lot of Auto Engina crash guards for Himalayans. That is why I have come here. So he is an expert in this installing this crash guard. Anyhow, it is a it is a simple process to install this Auto Engina, and see Zana, I went with this one because Zana has got this slider as well, but I wanted this rugged look. That is why I went with this Auto Engine crash guard. Otherwise, I would have gone with Zana crash guard only. But when I was searching, actually Zana crash guard did not have this matte finish. They only had this glossy finish. So I was not able to find this matte finish. So that is one more reason why I went with the Auto Engine. But
this is looking like an awesome, how would I say, like this rod and the material they have used, it looks like they have it is a building material. It is it is a solid rod. It looks like a solid rod, and it has also saved me. I have driven this motorcycle for maybe 150 kilometers, and I feel totally safe. I feel totally safe riding with this Auto Engine Cross Guard. And this is, for your information, just for your information, I'm telling you, this is 2 inches bigger than the stock crash guard. Okay, which we get it from the Royal Enfield store itself. So this is 2 inch bigger. Actually, the slider, you see that plastic slider is 2 inch away from the stock crash guard. I measured it, but I forgot to take a photo or video of it. But it is actually two inch bigger than the stock crash guard. So that is one more safety. And definitely, I am assuring you, if your bike if your bike is going to fall down, this is definitely going to take the first impact. So that is the reason I went with this strong crash guard. Okay, this is definitely going to take the first impact, and it will save your bike, as well as in case of anything, like it will also save your leg. Okay, that is one more reason, like, I have went with this crash guard. And actually, I wanted to mention that for whatsoever reason, I did not have any problem with any parts itself. Like, for installing this, I did not have any issues at all. It was so simple. It was like in a fraction of second. Just for word's sake, I'm telling you, for he installed it so easily. Okay, with all the T spanners and other things. The require If you have other necessary spanners and other things, you will be able to install it so easily. So easily, it is so simple. And maybe you need to have enough power to tighten it properly, so then you will get a maximum result. And once you tighten it properly, this would give a solid look. Okay. And guys, actually, I received a new rod, replacement rod from ADV Touring. For this, this is for GPS mount, which I received, and it is a slightly bigger rod compared to the older one which I received. They said, like, by somehow the product was actually, I have received a wrong product. That is why it was touching the speedometer, trip meter. But now actually they have provided me a longer rod, a little bit longer rod. So this is enough, and I was able to install my GPS, that is the mobile mount, as well as the cigarette light charger, and it is not disturbing any of my what do you call, mirrors or anything. So you see, I have a lot of things installed there: camera mount, remote, 1 hour insta 1 hour remote holder, and other things are there. And in case, I have also traveled maybe 150 kilometers with this new rod, and new GPS mount. So I did not have any problem at all, and I did not find any issues. So it was very good. Only thing is, like, if you wanted to install the mobile mount or something, you will have to add an additional rubber, so that because the rod is little smaller than the normal one. But other than that, it is good. For me, it was I used an additional small tube rubber, so then everything was in place. Okay, so right now I have used this rod for maybe 150 kilometers or something, and I did not find any issues. And the thing is, the GPS mount is rock solid. Okay, I would definitely suggest you to go with this, and it is not touching any speedometer, trip meter, or anything. And it is not touching the mirror, or it is not making any noise. So it is solid, it is good. I would recommend you to buy this GPS mount, in case if you want it. Okay, from ADV Touring. So this is the older rod which they gave me earlier, and I have removed this. So I'll have to send it back. This one, I may have to send this back to them using speed post. The thickness is not enough, so if you see, I'm using a rubber tube, so that I'll be able to fix the mobile holder. And guys, this is the final look of this bike after installing this Auto Engine crash guard. It looks marvelous and it looks really great. And I really thank Auto Engine for giving me this, sending me this crash guard. However, it is not paid promotion. It is just an I purchased it on my own cost, and I'm here to share only the experience about the crash guard which I have installed it on my Himalayan. Okay, I'm not here to share any other experience. So kindly please look at the crash guard, crash guard alone, and the bottle holder and other things which I have installed is for my purpose and my requirement. In case if you don't want that, please ignore that. And while installing this, I did not face any issues at all. It's solid. It took approximately more or less 10 minutes or something. If you go to a good mechanic, you will be able to install it sooner. And I don't have to install. This is a BS6 2020-21 Himalayan, so I did not face any issues like removing the silencer or anything like that. It was installed within just 3 bolts. Remove it and then install it. That's it. That is what I have done, and apart from that I didn't face any issues. The painting and other things are, so far it has been actually 1 week or something. It has been so I have not faced any issues so far. Maybe in case if I face any other issues, I will definitely let you know, guys, about the quality and this quality and the finish of the product. If in case if I face any other challenges, I will definitely share it with you guys. But apart from so far it is really nice. I feel that it is safe, and if the bike is going to fell down, definitely I have tested it. Definitely this is going to take the first impact, and it will also save your leg from in case of any accidents. So that is what I feel, and this is the final look of my Royal Enfield Himalayan after installing the Auto Engine crash guard. Okay. So guys, actually I have coming back to this GPS mount from ADV Touring. It is right now I have installed the bigger rod which they have sent me recently, and removed the older rod. Now it is not touching the trip. It is not touching the tripper navigation or speedometer, and I have enough gap, and it is not even touching the glass. So I strongly recommend you guys to go with this new Himalayan BS6 2021 GPS mount from ADV Touring. Okay. Actually, I'm trying to test this crash guard, and this is not really accurate, but this is how it is. The crash guard takes the first impact before your tank guard, jerry can, or pioneer. If you have a pioneer also, it will not go. That is not going to get impacted first. So this crash guard will take the first impact, and since it is going to take the first impact, I would strongly recommend you guys to go with the branded one, not the cheapest one, which is available for 1,800 or something, which is on Amazon. I would recommend you to go with the branded one, and this Auto Engine has done a proper research, and this is looking solid. This is how it looks. Okay, I'm glad you watched this video till here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.